Westinghouse has been powering homes since 1886, revolutionizing electricity, appliances, and even nuclear energy. Now, that same legacy of innovation is bringing crispy golden perfection straight to your microwave with the Westinghouse Microwavable Round Crisp Tray, WES00836. This durable non-stick tray is designed to turn your microwave into a mini air fryer, giving food that oven-baked crispness without the weight. Want perfectly toasted sandwiches, crispy pizza slices, golden brown fries, or crunchy taquitos? This tray delivers. Even frozen foods get a better texture, making leftovers taste fresh again. Easy to clean, store, and use. This kitchen upgrade helps you ditch soggy microwave meals for crispy restaurant-style bites in minutes. Pizza, fries, bacon, fish, and even some baked goods are just a few minutes away. It has become a staple in our home. If you love quick, easy, and deliciously crispy food, this might just be your new favorite microwave accessory. We give it 2 crispy thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you next time.